This video tutorial will furnish you with instructions that will help you to remove fake or human verification alerts that are related to the site farmadscompany.com. Farmadscompany.com is a malicious site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. But to click on allow is definitely dangerous. This may hijack your browser with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking your screen from time to time. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Then pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. So click on this button and remove it. I would also recommend that you investigate your system and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.